Alright, what's happening? Welcome to In the Smoke with Keenan. Yes, it's me, Keenan, rocking my Mortal Kombat shirt. And today is going to be a pretty interesting cook. I got some chickens here, and oddly it came in a double pack, and one was a little bit bigger than the other. So, I don't know about that. Got all the little giblets that was in there. Going to smoke those up, the gizzard, the neck, and whatever else comes in there. I'm gonna be seasoning these bad boys pretty simple. Drunken Chef SPC, Drunken Chef SPG. Yeah, all right. I'm not gonna edit that. All right. Amazing stuff. Check him out, drunkenchefrubs.com. My man got his website jumping off, so check that out. The other chicken I'm gonna be seasoning with Island Boy spices, Virgin Island Gold, lemon pepper. One of the best lemon pepper seasonings I done had today. This dude's real cool, brother. Check him out at islandboyspices.com. Got a variety of seasonings, and I got like 4. So I did a few videos with him. The jerk, the poultry seasoning, the rock roast with the coffee in it. That's real good. And then also I got this salmon here. Little piece of salmon, and I'm gonna be seasoning that with Ohana's Hawaiian teriyaki. Just gonna sprinkle that up and see what that do. This is pretty much my first time cooking something of this magnitude as far as like some whole chickens on my char grill legacy, so join me on this journey. So with this chicken, I'm trying a new method here, that frog method that I hadn't seen. And I just typed in cutting the chicken frog method style, and I ran across a cat in Everett, no, not Everett. I don't know why I'm thinking of Everett Barbecue. Maybe because something just popped up, a notification that he got a video out. It was Kendrick Barbecue, and he said this is inspired by his buddy, I think Al Fagoni. I have no idea who either of those gentlemen are, but I'm gonna definitely try this out and appreciate you posting the video. So you got to move off these tips, and you see I cut it just to open it up right there in the skin. You don't cut through the joint, and then you move these tips. I mean, really, the first one was perfect. There we go. And then take off some of this excess skin. Got a little paper towel to dab my hand on. And of course, wash your hands when you handling bird. And then my man cut it through the breast. Yeah, that. You got to break through the ribs. Hey, that worked out. And then flip it over. Push that bad boy down. Wait, oh, that ain't a good view. Let me wash my hands and bring it in so you can see what I just did for the first time. And as you can see, it looks like a little frog. Spin this around. Check that out. And this is the smaller one, so I'm gonna be monitoring this cook with the old meat stick X there. I'm gonna insert that bad boy right in that breast, and that's how we're gonna monitor this one, because this is smaller than the other one, and I'm gonna prepare this other one the same way. I'm just gonna go ahead and knock it out. But the other one, I'm gonna use my little quick temp read on it. But since this is smaller, I want to keep an eye on it so we don't dry it out with this meat stick X. All right, let me get the other one done, get everything seasoned up. We're gonna be back in the smoke. All right, quick little update here. We went ahead and threw these bad boys on here about 30 minutes ago. I'm not doing too much recording outside because it's hot and I don't want my camera to overheat. So I got my meat stick X right there. Gotta wipe that up. And we've been rolling steady. between 250 and 275 on this Char Griller Legacy. I got some Kings for charcoal rolling, and with that, excuse that, after about 30 minutes, I threw a chunk of this in there. I really like this stuff. It's good. If anybody know what's up with the Crown Royal, that probably was your first wallet, or your grandma kept them bingo dabbers in there. All right, so let's get a look. I came out here and I flipped them over, but let's check this out. Quick little update. Oh yeah, see, we getting froggy. We getting froggy right there. I basted I gave the outside a little coat, and as I talk, I'm looking because it's a big ass beetle flying around me. I basted the skin with a little layer of, and that's the trash truck. They decided to come today with a layer of flaxseed oil. So just to give it a little color. But as you can see, we looking good right there. And that's that salmon with the Hawaiian teriyaki, and then that's the little giblets. That's seasoned with the Drunken Chef SPG. This is the Drunken Chef SPG. And the bigger one here is the Island Boy Spices Virgin Island Gold Lemon Pepper. The one with the SPG is the smaller one, so that's the one I got the Meat Stick X in. And we rolling. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this up, let it finish doing this thing, and I'll be back with an update or two. All right, quick little update. We've been sitting steady on the Char Griller Legacy at 250. The Meat Stick X, I got it right there. That's been keeping me on point. So far, so good with that bad boy. And just a quick little update. I pulled that salmon. It was good. I just wanted to try that seasoning on the salmon. Came on out here and wrapped the chickens. That's that little part I'm not going to eat. There's the neck and the gizzards. But the chickens was reading at the one with the Meat Stick X was reading at 144. The bigger one without the Meat Stick X was reading at like 147. And I got some good smoke on these bad boys and some good color. And I didn't expect, when I flipped it over, I didn't expect the breast, the skin part of it to get too much color, because it's kind of sitting up because how it was shaped. But it's still juicy. The juices in the thighs were slightly pink at that 144 and 147 mark. So I wrapped these bad boys. I got plenty of smoke on them, and we just gonna let them roll. So, I'll be back when I'm done. We done. The Meat Stick X was in the smaller chicken, and it was on point. I checked it with my quick temp, and boy, that bad boy was really reading. It did some justice. This is the bigger one, seasoned with Island Boy Spices, Virgin Island Gold, Lemon Pepper. As you can see, check them out. And then this one, the smaller one, was seasoned with Drunken Chef Barbecue's SPG. You can check this out at DrunkenChefRubs.com. Yeah, this is on point. And you got the habanero and jalapeno too. So, first time trying this little method as far as opening up the chicken. Instead of trying to cut the back out. I know a lot of people probably have problems with that, or, I actually injured my arm trying to spatchcock a turkey, so I was looking for an alternative. I don't know if I get a hold of a turkey, I definitely would try this method. That would be very interesting cook. But I'm gonna go ahead and cut this. Cut it here and cut some quarter off and get a little piece of each. And there's a salmon. Came out pretty good. That was seasoned with this right here. Not my best looking salmon. I did a hot honey and garlic parmesan salmon, man. Check that video out. But yeah, I'm gonna get some samples of this. Straight froggy. So as I was cutting some of this chicken, I was cutting on this breast, and I stopped because I want to show You see that? The moisture that I maintained in this bad boy. That's nice. Nice and juicy there. Yeah, there we go. So this is with the Drunken Chef SPG. And I'm pretty sure the other one's the same. So, let's get a bite. Alright, usually I'll be like, yeah, let me finish where I started outside, but it's hot. So, some of the skin didn't get as crispy as I wanted it. So, I know I got to work on that, but this is with the Drunken Chef SPG for it. Oh, good. Real good. I got the quarter. Leg quarter. That bad boy is juicy. The flavor on that is good. Alright. This is the Island Boy Spices lemon pepper seasoning. Virgin Island Gold right here. That rendered down good. I was just straight bite through. I didn't inject or anything. I was just doing this just to try this method. I like it. I like the method. It's pretty cool. Pretty catchy, trendy. And I'll just show that anybody can do it. Alright. Another quick little cook by your boy Keenan in the Smoke with Keenan. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Hit that little notification bell so you know when your boy's dropping new content. Also check out my playlist, other videos. Just as a reminder, it's under my old title, Keenan Just Felt Like Cooking, but hey, it is me. And my son Tryout on the grocery store adventures. I got some out there with my daughter, and some pretty fun things. So be sure to check out those playlists for a little bit of my older videos. Alright, everybody be cool out there, be safe, smart. You know what time it is. In the Smoke with Keenan. Black Smoke Barbecue. You know what's up. One.